The next module covers Step 3 and 4 of the EDOCS 120 Bravo Inspection PM checklist. Let's take a look at Step 3. It's your lockout and tagout of the unit, or your LOTO. You have 3 tasks: tag, lock, and log. Fill it out with the appropriate information with your partner: your name, your team, your station, time and date. You want to ensure that it's free of dust and debris. A protective item that will help you is this dust cover or this dust plug here. You'll notice that the instructors have removed all the appropriate access panels that need to be taken off. Your job here is just to make sure that nothing is obvious or there's any major damage to the chassis of the unit. That concludes Step 3 and 4 of the PM checklist.